Ever wonder where the apps that manage your money are actually managed from? We use so many tools these days to track our spending, budget, and save, but have you ever stopped to think about the companies behind them? Today, we're diving into one such app, a popular choice for many, PocketGuard. Specifically, we're answering the question, where is PocketGuard based? Now, before we jump into the answer, let's talk a little bit about why this matters. Knowing where a company is based can give you some insights into their operations, their target market, and even their regulatory environment. It can also be a factor for some users when considering data privacy and security. After all, different countries have different laws regarding how personal information is handled. So, understanding the geographical context of a company like PocketGuard is more than just trivia, it's about being an informed user. PocketGuard is a personal finance app designed to help users track their spending, create budgets, and achieve their financial goals. It connects to your bank accounts, credit cards, and investment accounts to give you a holistic view of your finances in one place. It offers features like spending limits, debt payoff plans, and subscription tracking. It's become a go-to tool for many looking to gain control of their money. But where does this helpful app originate? Where are the minds behind PocketGuard located? The answer is PocketGuard is headquartered in San Francisco, California, USA. Yes, this popular budgeting app hails from the heart of Silicon Valley, a global hub for technology and innovation. Now, that might not be a surprise to some of you. Many tech companies, especially those in the financial technology space, are based in the United States. But it's still good to confirm, right? Knowing that PocketGuard is based in San Francisco clarifies a few things. It means they operate under U.S. laws and regulations, which is important for understanding data privacy and security policies. It also likely influences their target market and the features they prioritize. Being based in Silicon Valley also places PocketGuard in a vibrant ecosystem of tech companies, venture capitalists, and talented engineers. This environment can be incredibly beneficial for growth and innovation. It allows them to attract top talent and stay at the forefront of financial technology trends. So, next time you're using PocketGuard to analyze your spending or plan your budget, remember that the team behind it is working from their headquarters in San Francisco. This information gives you a little more context about the company and its operations. Beyond just the location, it's also worth noting the company's journey and how it has evolved. While the headquarters are in San Francisco, like many tech companies, PocketGuard likely has a distributed team. This means that employees might be located in various parts of the world, contributing to the development and maintenance of the app. The nature of modern work allows for this kind of distributed collaboration, and it's something to consider when thinking about the structure of companies like PocketGuard. Knowing where a company is based is just one piece of the puzzle. It's also important to research their privacy policy, understand their terms of service, and read reviews from other users. These steps can help you make informed decisions about which financial tools are right for you. Don't just take our word for it. Do your own research and make sure you're comfortable with the information you find. Understanding the context of the apps we use, including their geographical location, is a crucial part of being a responsible and informed digital citizen. It empowers us to make better decisions about our finances and our data. So, while the answer to where is PocketGuard based might seem simple, it opens up a broader conversation about the importance of due diligence in the digital age. With said, thanks for watching, and until next time.